The V22 Pro Sea Land Air Drone is the ultimate all-in-one drone designed for exploration in the air, land, and water. Whether you're an aerial photographer, an adventure enthusiast, or looking for a unique Valentine's Day gift, the V22 Pro offers unmatched versatility and advanced features for every adventure. This RC quadcopter is equipped with a brushless motor, optical flow positioning, and obstacle avoidance to ensure smooth and stable flight, no matter where you take it. Key features of the V22 Pro Sea Land Air Drone: air, land, and sea capabilities. This versatile drone seamlessly operates in all environments, fly in the air, glide over land, or explore underwater without skipping a beat. Obstacle avoidance. Equipped with advanced obstacle avoidance technology, the V22 Pro safely navigates through forests, mountains, and oceans with ease. Optical flow positioning. The optical flow positioning system provides precise hovering, ensuring the drone stays stable and in control, even in tricky conditions. Brushless motor. A brushless motor offers longer flight times, greater efficiency, and durability, ensuring smooth and powerful performance. Underwater camera. Capture stunning underwater footage with the included high-definition camera, ideal for both water exploration and aerial photography. Perfect Valentine's Day gift. Whether for a tech enthusiast, drone lover, or adventure seeker, the V22 Pro is the perfect gift for any occasion, especially Valentine's Day. Specifications: material: durable ABS plastic and lightweight carbon fiber. Product type: RC quadcopter with brushless motor. Category: Sea Land Air Drone. Design and style: sleek, aerodynamic design with a foldable structure for easy transport. Performance: advanced obstacle avoidance and optical flow positioning. Camera: high-definition underwater camera for stunning visuals both in air and underwater. Usage: ideal for land, sea, and air exploration. Battery: long-lasting with extended flight time. Perfect for tech enthusiasts and drone lovers looking for cutting-edge technology. Adventure seekers exploring air, land, and sea. Valentine's Day gift: unique and practical gift for those who love gadgets and outdoor adventures. The V22 Pro Sea Land Air Drone is more than just a toy. It's a versatile exploration tool that allows you to document your adventures from every angle. Whether you're flying over stunning landscapes, gliding through the air, or diving beneath the waves, the V22 Pro will capture every moment with ease. Specifications: material: ABS plastic and carbon fiber construction. Camera: HD underwater camera. Brushless motor for smooth and efficient performance. Obstacle avoidance with advanced sensors for safe flying. Take your drone flying experience to the next level with the V22 Pro Sea Land Air Drone, and get ready for adventures that will take you above the clouds, across the land, and even underwater. Whether you're an experienced drone pilot or just starting out, this is the ultimate companion for all your outdoor explorations. Please like, comment, and subscribe for more exciting drone reviews, unboxings, and tips.